Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.